Through. I made this side to follow the original bevel. You will get them sharper than brand new. It follows the edge that way. Up. Look at that. Okay, here's a brand new Kershaw, still in the box, never been opened.
10 minutes left. Everybody needs to be in the drawing.
Okay, how do I open this box? Here, go ahead and open your box. Okay, I got it. Brand new Kershaw. Now I'm going to need you to feel that to verify it works. Watch this.
That's the only way to win a handgun rifle. Give it away by the Florida Gun Show.
And you can see I didn't scratch the sides up, nothing like that. Razor sharp. Hit it on the leather when you're done. Tell me if that's sharper than brand new.
Yeah.
Definitely, huh? There you go. Yep.
Pretty much every adult uses a knife of some sort, whether you're cooking, hunting, fishing, or working. Therefore, pretty much every adult could use the Block Knife Sharpener, the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. Made in Prudentville, Michigan, these sharpeners take little to no steel off your blade and deliver razor-sharp results. The Block Knife Sharpener is great for fillet knives, kitchen knives, pocket knives, everyday work tools, and more. A dull blade's actually more dangerous than one that's sharp. Stay safe with the Block Knife Sharpener. See demonstrations or order online, blocksharpener.net. Lifetime guarantee and free shipping within 24 hours.